Y'all know I had to give Sensational a break and run right back to the new Outre units. Outre hits every time, just as I always say, you guys. When I grow, I boldly grow, and time pass, and they will rise, no lie, boundaries and obstacles. When I grow, I boldly grow, and time pass. guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique, and today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Keyshawn 22 inch in the color number 2, so let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come also with a pre-attached elastic band. It does come also with 13x6 HC lace parting space and sparse baby hairs. And it does also come slightly pre-plucked, so let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So when it comes to the Perfect Hairline collection, I feel like Outre is always known for providing a really nicely plucked hairline. This one I feel like is not nearly as plucked as a lot of their other units from the Perfect Hairline collection. You definitely can wear as is, because y'all know I am a lazy girl. I don't feel like going in and plucking and doing all that extra. This one I definitely do feel like it could use some, but I do think you are able to get away with wearing it without doing any plucking. But I think if you want more of that natural effortless look, you may want to go in and pluck it some, so that's just something to be aware of. As far as the cap size is concerned, this one has a good amount of stretch to it. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. I did have to go in and adjust the adjustable straps as tight as I can go, and I feel like it's fitting my head pretty secure. But like I said, there is some stretch to the cap, so I think if you do have a large size head, you should be okay with wearing this one. As far as the texture is concerned, I really love the texture. Outre is that girl when it comes to texture. They always come through with giving us a good amount of yaki units. This is definitely giving like a relaxed yaki texture, which I am definitely here for. And as far as the density, this is all the hair to the front. I feel like it's a really nice density. It's about 150%. So you get more of like, you get the natural density, but it's also like a fuller natural density, if that makes sense. It's not too much hair on the head. It's not looking wiggy. It's not doing too much. So I really do like the density on this one. Now the length on it, like it says on the stock card, is 22 inches. I feel like this one would be perfect if you're looking for something that's kind of cute, not too simple, and gonna be like a good go-to everyday wig. That's what I'm getting from the length, the density. And this one also is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con on this unit is just like I said, I wish this unit was plucked out more. And just like I said, you can get away with wearing it as is. But I like mine to look as natural as possible, but also while me doing the minimal work. So I just wish it was more plucked, just like I said their previous units have been. But that's probably going to be my only con when it comes to this unit. My pros are definitely number one going to be the texture. I really love the texture. Y'all know I'm a yaki girl for life, so I really like the texture of this. I just like the look. I like that it's a mix up straight with like some flip curls, so you get that volume without having to worry about like super dead straight, because I know some girls are not like straight hair fans. This gives you like a good mix of both straight and also volume as far as like the body of the hair. So I definitely am here for the look of it. I'm here for the density, the texture, the style of it. I really like the length and the fact that it's manageable. I wasn't getting any tangling. I didn't get any shut-in. This one was pretty easy as far as just throwing on and styling. I didn't have to really worry about much when it came to like parting it and getting different styles going. For this side part, I did go in with my flat comb just to get it to lay flat, because it was giving more of that like baba boom, which I feel like is a look in itself. But I just didn't like the fact that the hair kept falling in front of my face, so I just kind of like heated it. I went and applied some heat just to get it like out of my face. But as a whole, I feel like this is definitely a really good one. Can't go wrong with a good like nice in-between wig, a nice everyday wig. So I'm definitely here for this, and I feel like you guys definitely would be too. I don't think you'd be wasting your money if you got this one. This is definitely a good one to just throw in the closet, if anything. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.